So when you take the readings, you should press with this like this, and when the machine rotates, you should keep like this. So it will measures the how much RPM it has rotated. Last, this Z and AA L2, all these three are shorted. So like this ZZ AA should be connected to L2. Now we will start the experiment. Here for motor, this position should be here, not here, because for motor the rheostat should be minimum position. So how we can variate for minimum and maximum? This is the fixed point. I said this is the fixed point. For this fixed point, this is the fixed point. For this fixed point, if this is yet here near to this point, then will be a restart will be in minimum position. If this fixed point is here and this will be at far here, then it is a maximum position. So for motor it should be minimum position, and for generator it should be maximum position. So if we connect here this point here, then it should be bring to here. So that is the connection. So now we will start the experiment. Here I am connecting voltmeter to across R and Y. So supply is given. So here this is the DC supply and this is AC supply. Okay. Now we'll start the motor. We'll start the motor. See. So with the help of starter, first supply is given. Switch is closing. Next, with the help of slowly you should array the motor is running. Motor is started. Now so speed should be 1500 RPM. $135. So with the help of rheostat, speed should be calculated. The speed is 1256. By varying this rheostat, the speed should be maintained. 1332, 1376. Okay, 1490. Okay. Just now. Yeah. So the motor is 1530. So speed is increased. So decreasing. Okay. So nearly 1500 km. So we will maintain this speed. So that 1500 speed is corresponding to this rheostat position. Now alternator switch is closing.
వోల్టేజ్ అండి
voltage with
ఎనీ టూ ఫేసెస్
any two phases.
ఇలా వచ్చేయండి ఇలా చేయబెట్టండి ఇలా ఈ రెండు పట్టుకోండి
So by using this
ఫస్ట్ రీడింగ్ నోట్ చేస్తారా ఎంత నోట్ చేస్తారా
parallel voltage.
సరేదా
See here varying
పాయింట్ వన్ ఓకే పాయింట్ వన్కి
Point one we got voltage
69
69. Voltage is 67. 69. Next still varying
0.2
next 0.2
137
137. Next 0.3. By using this 195. So you should get to up to 440 volts. 440 volts 3 phase, right? We can increase up to 440 volts.
పాయింట్ 4
Next for 0.4, the voltage is 248.
పాయింట్ 5
For 0.5, the voltage is 300.
పాయింట్ 6
For 0.6,
అక్కడ కూడా చూపించండి బ్లింకింగ్ ఇందాక కావాలి కదా వోల్టేజ్ ఎలా వెళ్తుంది
voltage is getting built up. 230, 330.
పాయింట్ 6
0.6, 360. So here while increasing the field current, the voltage is getting built up to the rated voltage. What is the rated voltage? 3 phase 440 volts.
450
380. How much? 0.8 405.
ఓకే
This is the rated voltage. 450 is the rated voltage. At 0.9. So here we slowly increase 0.1 to 0.9 field current, and correspondingly starting from 64 to 14 volts we increase it. So this is the open circuit readings. Now we will go for short circuit readings. Now we will open everything,
అలాగే
and ammeter is connecting. Ammeter is connecting
ఇంకా చిన్న వయసు
across any two phases. R and Y is shorted through ammeter. See, now there is no voltage. Again it is coming to the zero position with the help of
4.5
here the maximum current is amperes of a generator is 4.5. So up to this with the help of this with the help of rheostat I mean
help of
this rectifier we should take the 1.5 amps here. Until then you should vary here.
ఆన్ చేస్తున్నాను
Now it is connected to
10 amps
10 amps. So positive is connected to common or, and Y phase is connected to these two are shorted and connected.
4.5
4.5.
అంటే
The
ఈ
rated current should be comes to 4.1. Here we connected to 10 amps, so the down reading should be taken.
అన్నా వస్తుంది.
here varying, and we should note the 4.5 amps. So down scale should read, because the 10 amps is at the down.
ఇక్కడ కూడా మీకు చూడండి
0.1.
ఓకే
No, not 4.5.
ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే
Okay, 4.5.
ఇక చూపించండి.
So here the corresponding reading is 1.2. 1.2. For 1.2 field current, the rated current is achieved. So slowly we switch off one by one. First of all, alternator is switched off. Next, this main supply switched off. Next, this is put into zero position. Next, slowly. So these are the very important precautions. Slowly we should bring it back. Slow. So automatically the motor speed will reduce. Next, speed is reduced. Next, you have to,
ఇక్కడ కూడా చూపించండి. వెనక్కి పడిపోద్ది కదా.
so this will be, whenever we take, it will be pulled back. The starter will pull back. That is the due to magnetism release. So this is the overall setup. So after taking the readings, you need to do theoretical calculations and graphs. I will explain in the theoretical way. So the graph will exist like this. This is the field current. This is the field current. So in both experiments, we vary the field current and observe the open circuit armature voltage and short circuit armature current. Okay, this is the open circuit graph, this is the short circuit graph.
ఇప్పుడు లేదనమాట.
So ISC is equals to 4.5 and VOC, open circuit voltage, is this is the final point. So this is the final point. How much you got here? Suppose 230. So here 230. Okay, so Z short circuit impedance is equals to ISC by VOC. VOC by ISC. You will get a synchronous impedance. So for here armature resistance is equals to 5 ohms. That is a fixed. After completion of experiment, you should take the rheostat and put the terminals across the armature, and if you calculate means you will get a 5 ohms. That is a fixed. Therefore excess, next you should find excess synchronous reactance. So we know Z is equals to square root of RA square plus XS square. So from this if we calculate ZS square minus RA square. So this is the synchronous extent. You will get ZSC value, RA value and XS equal to value.